Secure your dream apartment now. Unlock the benefits of a CPN number today. Are you on the hunt for the perfect apartment? Looking for a new place to call home and start a new chapter? Finding a dream rental can be a challenge, but there is one thing that can help you get the apartment of your dreams easily: a CPN number. A CPN, credit privacy number, is a 9-digit number that can be used instead of your social security number for credit-related activities, such as applying for a rental property. It is a great way to protect your personal information, but it also provides you with several other benefits that can help you secure your dream apartment. In this blog, we will look at what a CPN number is, the benefits of using a CPN number to rent an apartment, how to obtain a CPN number, and tips to use it effectively. Introduction to CPN numbers. A CPN number is a 9-digit number that is similar to a social security number, but it is not the same. It is a unique number that can be used in place of a social security number for credit-related activities, such as applying for a loan or a rental property. It is a great way to protect your personal information from identity theft and fraud.